Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, a track that has been on my request list for some time, Rocket Love by Stevie Wonder. The song is written and performed by Stevie Wonder and featured on his 1980 album Hotter Than July. This album was Stevie Wonder's 19th and his most successful in the UK. It featured hits such as Master Blaster, Lately and Happy Birthday, amongst many other wonderful songs. The song has been covered and sampled by many artists, admittedly few are household names. However, it's a hauntingly melodic song with characteristically insightful lyrics by the man Stevie Wonder. The song is in the key of G sharp minor. You can download the basic chord sheet by clicking the link in the description box below. As usual, please remember to like, share and subscribe if you're finding these videos helpful, and do click the bell for instant notification of uploads to this channel. So here's an example of how I might play it.